This is a man who rules with an iron fist. This is a man who doesn't really give a fuck about the people's rights. This is a man this is a man who care less about people's rights. This is a man who enjoys in the suffering of kids. This is a man who enjoys when he sees kids suffer, when he sees kids in pain. This is a man who rules without remorse. This is a man who doesn't give a shit about the people's rights. Guys, Sadak is finally Sadak is can't even say. I can't even do the video, guys. I'm so emotional right now. I thought maybe something was gonna come out of it. Unfortunately, it didn't. Unfortunately, we failed. Unfortunately, it's over for all of us. I mean, I expected, the messages we were receiving from our president Nelson Chamisa, so heartbreaking. Can't even say it. The messages we were receiving, all those motivational quotes, they've all come to go to waste. Now all he has to say is this: change begins within. There can never be true change without changed people. And changing people, only changed people can truly change things. I don't know what the fuck he's saying, but guys, it's over. We're done. We hey, man, like Sadak, I knew something was fishy with Sadak. They were taking so long. They come up with the report saying that the elections were not credible and fair. All of a sudden, to just congratulate the very dude that made the elections unfair for everybody. At this point, I don't know where we're gonna go. This is the last video I'm doing, guys. I cannot continue to torture myself with this information because I myself cannot, cannot be in. I can't continue to subject myself to this pain, to this sorrow each and every day because of freedom. That is like it's hard to do this kind of videos, man. I mean, the information I'm receiving right now that the president has been congratulated. Oh my God, I can't undo it. This is the last video, guys. I don't think I'll ever be doing any video again because this is so torturing. I can't. I can't. This is fucked. I mean, this is bullshit, man. This is bullshit. I thought, when you have so much faith in God, when you have so much faith in your people, when you have so much faith in your leader, and then this comes, all of a sudden something like this comes to something like this happens. You can't help but lose all faith. The little hope I had is gone, man. I can't hope anymore. I can't anymore, guys. We've been robbed of our freedom. We've been robbed of our rights. We've been robbed of our peace. It's over for the people of Zimbabwe. It's over for all of us. We can forget about the elections now. All we can look is up to the man who rules with an iron fist. A man who doesn't care about the people. A man who doesn't care about the rights. A man who doesn't care about the will of the people. This is the man we're going to have to deal with, Mr. Mnangagwa. I don't care if they find me. I don't care if they look for me. Wherever they are, I don't care if they hurt me. But all we can do is accept what is. We can't change what is. This is what is. We can't run away from what is. This is the fact on the ground. This is the truth. As much as we hate it, as much as we hate to look at it, this is our truth. We have to accept and move on. At this point, I'm thinking, I don't know if I'll be able, if I will still be alive to be able to see the fuck it, guys. Whatever you can, watch the video. Whatever is going to happen, I don't know. But unfortunately, it is what it is, guys. It's over for all of us. Back to square one. Ah,